Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce the another money management system. That money management system we can use with the different techniques. In this money management system, you will never below the account like a Masanello money management system. In this money management system, you can use the risk of your account, how much you are taking the risk from your deposit amount. So there are 2 to 3 ways to use this money management system. For example, your initial capital is 200 USD. You just write the 200, and then what will be your daily target? For example, your daily target is 10% on the 200 investment. And then how much risk you are taking? It's up to you. The 10% of your initial portfolio, you are taking the risk, or 15% or 20%. It's up to you. For example, I'm taking the 15% risk on my capital. So in case if I'm achieving the target, I will win the $20. And if I'm unable to achieve the target, I will lose the $30. So after that, how we can use this amount, this daily risk, $30, you will find at this area. For today, this will be your initial investment. So we are not taking full risk on the 200 USD, but this is your today's in a risk, and that is your initial investment. So after that, you need to decide what the percent of $30 you are using. For example, here it's a 10% return, but I'm thinking that I'm going to use the 5% of my $30. So my first trade will be $1.50. And what the broker is giving me rate of return, for example, here, if we check, the broker is giving us a 90%. So we will use the 90% here. And if in case, if I win this trade, this 1.35 return will be added in my account. Now I need to complete this trade percentage. After that, how much percentage I will take? Maybe all the trades will be 5% of my capital, which I taken at the risk. So 5% I'm using everywhere. I'm not increasing the percentage, 5% for the 10 trades, and 90% every time broker is giving me return. So I will check it to 90%. All the 90% I will write here. So if the next trade, which I'm going to place, for example, that trade again I won. So what's happened with this money management system? You can see if the first trade you are winning, your trade amount is $1.5 for the first trade, and which you won. $1.35 is added in your account. Now your capital is 31.35, which you take in the risk 30. And how much you have achieved the target? If you win the second trade, your target is achieved 2.76. But for example, here the first amount was 1.50, and the second amount for the trade is 1.57. In this money management system, when you are winning, your amount will increase for the next trade. Amount little compound, a cents compound will increase. In case if we start losing, for example, here I have to lose the trade. The trade is lost because when I placed the trade, that was my capital 32 USD 0.3676, and my trade was 1.64. If I lose this amount, 1.64, which I traded, will be deduct from my this amount. Now my amount remaining 31.12. So amount is decreasing from the previous amount. Now the next betting amount will be similar. In case if I'm losing again, you can see the third trade, the fifth trade, which will be this one, the third trade which I'm going to place after the two losses, again it will be similar, 1.48. It means when I'm losing, my confidence is decreasing, the money management is decreasing the amount of the loss. That is the main benefit. So sometimes when we are in the emotions and we are losing the trade, next trade we are doubling, then again losing, again doubling the amount, it means within the 4 to 5 trades we are losing everything. But in this money management system, this money management is work on your emotions. Like when you are losing, the betting amount will be decrease. When you are winning, means your performance is become good, so your next amount will be for the trade will be greater than the previous amount. For example, if you started to win again, when you won this trade 1.48, you have won, that will be added in your account, and again your 1.4 next trade will increase from the previous amount. So here if you start the winning again and again, you are winning, you can see your betting amount will be increased. But for example, if you lose this trade and then again if you start the two trades winning, so your target which will be achieved, that will be $5. It means after placing the 10 trades and you lost the 3 trades, you won the 7 trades, and your amount which target achieved, which was only just 25% achieved. So this money management is a low risk money management and low profit money management type of system. So sometimes what happens when we are losing too much amount, when we are losing each and every trade, what the benefit is only just you are not losing everything. So for example, you take in the risk at the $30. So for here, if you lost all the trades you started, because you are doing very bad in this market, so you are losing each and every point, each and every trade. So here if you lost the all trade, then it will be not $30, it will be your, it will be not $30, it will be your $12 only you have to lose. Means this money management saves you. Even you take in the risk of 30 USD, if you lose in the all 10 trades, your money management only just give you the $12 loss. That is the main benefit of this money management system, that you are not losing the all amount. If for example within the 10 trades you are losing all the trades, means this day is not good for you. But what the taken risk taken, that also not reached, means $30 you not lost, you lost only $12. But in case if you are very good, but you will get the small profit, 3 trades you are winning and the 1 trade you are losing, means your day is going good, then you are losing this trade, again you are winning the 3 trades, so again you are losing the 1 trade, and then last you are losing the you are winning the last 2 trades, 9 and 10 trade. So your target is achieved 8.50. Slowly it's increasing your target. So that is the best money management for those traders. They are losing or they are blowing the account. So that is my suggestion for every trader who is losing, who is always blowing the account. Use this money management system, you will never lose the money. Even for example, the next step of the money management system which I'm taking, I just need a daily target of 10%, but I'm taking the 100% risk of my capital. So 100% I take in the risk of capital, means my daily risk is total initial portfolio 200 USD. So 200 USD means I'm just using the 2% of my account, not the more. 2% of my account I'm going to use. First of all, I will show you that if you are losing all the trades, how much you will lose if you are losing all the trades. So first I'm just showing you that if you lose all 10 trades, how much loss will be there? 200 loss will be there, or the loss will be smaller than the 200 USD. So for example, if you are losing the all 10 trades, your total loss will be $36. Even you will never below the account. If you are bet today, all the 10 trades are going in a loss, So means total amount which you will lose, that will be $36. The best part of the money management is that when you are losing the money, the next trade will decrease, 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 and then decrease, decrease. But in case if you are winning, means your performance is very good, then every next trade will increase the money. Means it is just like a compound, but not a full compound of the money, but it's some percentage of your trades is your compounding. Look at now, in case if you are good and you are winning, that your trades a day, one by one, it's increasing the money. Increasing the money means you won the 39 USD. But it's not possible all the trades will be win. Loss here, loss here. You are at the $21 profit. If you lose 36, all the trades, if you lose 36. So this money management is the best money management of the world, in which you will never below the account. Now it's up to you how you can modify the strategy. So if I modify on it, for example, I'm just taking the 30% of my target and 40% of my balance. So $80, I'm going to take a risk. Then you need to increase the percentage. For example, first in the start, my percentage, I'm thinking I'm a trader. In the start, 4 to 5 trades, I'm placing very perfect. So 6% I'm using with the first three trade, and then I will use the 4% last second 3 trades, and then I'm using the 3% last 2 trades and the 2% last 2 trades. So how I can achieve my goals? For example, first trade I'm winning, then I'm winning and I'm losing. Then again I'm winning, and then after 2 trades again I'm losing. So here again I won, and now I'm started the lose. So here you can see your target will be $10, which is achieved, and still the $49 is remaining. But in case if you are losing everything, in case if your performance is not good, if you're losing everything, means your loss will be very, very less as compared to the profit. Like it, I'm losing all the trades. For example, here I lost, here I lost, all the trade I'm lost. So what will be my total loss from the $80? If I'm losing all the 10 trades, only 26 USD. So look at, when you will lose, you decrease the amount. This money management by self, it decreasing the amount. Means your performance is not good. That's why it's decreasing the amount. If your performance is good, it will increase the amount. So use this money management. I hope that everyone will understand this money management. Trade, practice on it, and then use in the real accounts. Thank you so much. If you have any query, then ask me on the channel and send me personal message. I will answer you. Thank you so much.